reacting to haters' video. But first, can you like and subscribe?
Death Dolly was a hacker, but she's not like any other.
No, she is not.
In June or July it went horribly wrong. Death Dolly had passed away due to a very bad car accident.
How dare you make fun of car accident? Shame on you, Kaka.
Since Dolly is dead, I will be in this account. Rest in peace. My name is Eli.
And here's the best part. It's
I already said this.
How do you know this?
At first glance, there is nothing suspicious about these TikToks. I mean, the community certainly did a good job by spreading the word. A couple months after the incident, however, the rumors regarding Death Dolly passing away get quickly disproved by another fake Roblox hacker.
How dare you call me fake? I am right here. I have cameras on you. So you don't believe me. I'll prove it. You are wearing a shirt. Yes, you are. Can't like and subscribe in under 3 seconds.
To be honest, even if I tried my hardest, I still wouldn't be able to like and subscribe to this crusty, musty, dusty, fake our YouTube Shorts content farm spam channel. A win is a win.
You are a very mean and naughty person, Kaka. Comment if you hate bullies.